Hey, how's it going? Benkaji here from Maitri Multi Media. So what we're going to be going over today is how to make an intro. We got this track that we've been working on with the past videos. So let's play the drop real quick. Cool. So let's work on that. Let's make it cooler. So type impacts into the search bar. Just click all results here. And let's see what we got. Get rid of that S impact. Worked a lot better. Alright, let's see. Alright, something like that will work. So let's drag and drop that over. Alright, we're gonna unwarp it right there. We're gonna drag this. So it's nice and even. So when we tap R to reverse it, R, it'll be even. So you can bring it in there. So let's bring this volume down to match that one. And then let's pan these both out. So left and right. Let's see how that sounds. A little something more. Let's group these together just by clicking one, holding shift, right click, group. Let's rename this. Impacts. Nice. And let's get a color. I usually make these yellow. Let's make these orange. I don't know why they're yellow for that video. Base, usually make purple. Sub pink. Here we go. It's looking like home. Alright, next thing I'll do is I'll add a MIDI in there, something to create. Usually it's a white noise MIDI, something like that. So let's create one from scratch real quick. Alright, so let's type in operator here. It's right there, all results. Let's drag and drop it down here. And then let's set this to white noise. Let's put in a note here. It doesn't really matter. It's white noise, so it doesn't really matter what note we pick. Drag that all out. It's gonna sound beautiful. Let's listen. Oh, it's so good. So let's actually make that sound good. So another thing we could add, so let's leave that still. Let's not get too much into it. Auto filter, bada boom. Alright, so let's put that in automation form. Tap an A to get that automation going. And click in those points. I'm going to hold Option, drag that. What's that? That wasn't terrible. Let's do something more with that. Let's get the auto pan in here. Start it from the point where we could really hear it. Right? Change it up maybe. Cool, I like that. Ooh. Alright, let's fine adjust that. Let's go there to there. Let's make some guesses. So you can plus this down. Let's go through our automations we were messing with, like the auto filter. Let's maybe make that a little less harsh right here. So click that option. Let's try that. room for opportunity to mess with this right here. Maybe lower. Oh. Round it off. If you want to add the auto pan. But without it, I mean, say, hey, let's listen to it with everything else. Put this in here. Let's put it like right there. Volume down, probably. Couldn't even hear it. Alright, sorry, we took that off. Alright, let's listen to that. Let's see that. See if that one sounds good. Nice. Adds a little some in there. Sounds pretty good. You can also do that with this hook right here. Just add in a shorter one. You can even just do that by doing a little quick copy and paste. It's cheap. It didn't work because when you do that, you gotta make sure you drag that MIDI start right there. And then even for that one, we can mess with it a bit more. So like this part, and maybe raise it up. I'll get crazy with it. Maybe round this out a bit more. Let's do some here. That's too much. Ooh, that sounds good. Alright, cool. I got a little intro there. So last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on my impacts, EQ this. Oh, not it. EQ it. Throw that on impacts, and then just get a hard cut around 100. Right here, you see it. Boom, 100 around there. Just to cut out those lows. You can even go a bit higher too. We can do like, actually, let's do like a softer one. There you go. So it's not so harsh. So let's see how that sounds with that cut right there, with the soft cut. Nice. Last thing I'll do is just like lower that volume so it matches the rest. Kind of balances out. Nice. Alright. Well, join me on the next video. I'll be discussing how to add reverb to all of this and balance it out through that. Through sends or just throwing it on audio effects, different techniques.